everyone, so this is Brian Christian Duaso. I'm one of the core leaders of this project named Drip of Hope. Okay, so we named this project Drip of Hope because we know that drip means outfit in Generation C, and we're giving uniform to those people na nasalanta ng bagyo sa Tondo, for them to give hope na kahit ano man nangyari sa kanila is magkakaroon sila ng pag-asa magpagpatuloy sa pag-aaral. Well, it could help the beneficiaries in a way na magkakaroon sila ng mga maayos na uniform ulit kung saan magiging mas komportable ulit sila na pumasok sa paaralan. And we're going to give some foods na kung saan pwede nilang pagsalo-saluhan ng pamilya nila. And our main purpose here is to give them, to bring back their hope and of course their happiness. Okay, so ang bala ko lang sa kanila is nothing is impossible. Maliit man o malaki yung itulong ninyo. It has a macro effect na kung saan it can change other people's life. Kumbaga hindi man natin ma-fix fully yung pinagdaanan nila, but still meron pa rin siyang impact na kung saan dadalhin nila at magiging reason ng kasiyahan sa kanila.
Hi everyone, I'm Gina Navarro from Block A, AB Psychology Department. The purpose of this project is to help yung mga nasunugan from different areas including yung Tondo, Santa Ana, and San Andres. So, this can help them, unang-una, spiritually. And also, since team ng project natin is to give them a uniform, kaya nga dressing, di ba, Drip of Hope. So, makakatulong itong uniform nila until they graduated, and they will remember students who helped them.
Hey everyone, I'm Catherine Panganiban from EB Psychology Block A 19. Ay, 25 po pala. Ayan. Yung team ng project namin ito for CB4 is Drip of Hope. Ang purpose ng project na to is of course, nag-come up kami sa heart namin and desire ng heart namin to help yung mga fire victims, within Tondo, Manila, under din ng yung mga student dito, yung beneficiary na kinuha namin sa JRCC. Bukod kasi sa drip, kaya siya Drip of Hope kasi from the word drip na alam naman natin, ang term na drip ngayon for our Gen Z is clothes, yung clothing. Ang aim ng Drip of Hope movement na ito ay makapagbigay or makapag-donate ng mga used uniforms or kung may magdo-donate man ng uniform na bago para sa mga affected ng nasunugan. Sa contribution naman, I'm one of the core leaders under ng assisting committee. Ayan, sa pagde-design, sa pag-plot ng huwag kang manggulo, sa sa contribution naman, I'm one of the core leaders under assisting committees. Message for those aspiring na if ever man na mag-success, maganda kasi na may gantong movement din na ipagpatuloy. Syempre, hindi naman natin masasabi kung kailan yung sakunay. Pero if ever that things happen again, halimbawa, ayan, nasunugan or bagyo man, may mga gantong movement na may pagpatuloy pa rin, may magdodonate pa rin ng uniform, groceries, ano naman siya little things matter naman kahit na maliliit lang yung mga contribution namin dito. Pero kapag may na-touch tayong isang puso, ayan, kagaya niyan, na may na-inspire doon sa movement, may mga donations and may mga dadating din. So, ayun, magpapatuloy siya na magpapatuloy siya na mag-run kahit na matapos namin tong project na to for CB4.
Hi, my name is Natalia Kanda. Isa po ako sa mga nag-photoshoot and nag-video, nag-edit po. So, I'm from the section EB Psych, second year. And one of the few things kaya po namin ginawa tong video na to is for you guys to be inspired to also know kung anong dapat gawin as to this type of program.
Sa second year AB Psych Block A, it's really a success, and more than sa accomplishment ng ating klase, I just want to thank you also dun sa participation dahil this is an extra mile to you. Kaya bigay natin lahat ng glory kay God, kay Jesus. Kaya thank you, congratulations sa lahat ng recipient nito at sa kabuuan ng klase ko sa pangunguna ni Jelaika at ni Raymark and the rest of the team. Congratulations again, to God all be the glory.